YouTube, this is your boy Shib back another video of most beautiful and flawless fade haircut transformation for black guys. In this video, we have compiled all types of fade haircut transformation for you. If you are looking for some latest haircut or some fade haircut transformation according your hair type, I think this video gonna work for you. So stick this video, don't forget subscribe and watch this video to the left. As you can see, the first guy got perfect high temp fade and got some crisp on the top, and that was literally perfect haircut according his face shape, according his hair type. And that guy got some perfect buzz cut with shape of line. I think that type of shape of line is not looking that much good on white guys because they have some bunch of hair on the front line, and this is acceptable. Like that type of shape of line are somehow acceptable. And that was clean skin fade, and this haircut also known as the buzz haircut, and this is gonna be a most beautiful haircut as well. If you really love to have short hair, I think go for the buzz haircut. Oh my god, the mid skin fade, and this is gonna be a flawless transformation for this guy. All of these haircuts are so satisfying. So satisfying. I really love to watch that type of haircut, and look at this one. This guy looking pretty fresh with that haircut. Yeah, that's the perfect one. The mid skin fade. Okay, we are the next one. The way they are using their clipper is very phenomenal. Oh, the finest C cup with mid drop fade, and this guy looking pretty handsome with that haircut. Yeah, perfect, perfect. Okay, we are moving the next one, and this is gonna be a sharpest clean skin fade with a buzz haircut. This guy, I think he is looking for some mullet haircut, and I don't know, but this guy just paid $75 for this haircut. So I'm really excited to watch, to see the final product. Oh my god, oh my god. The finest and cleanest taper fade haircut transformation ever. I'm loving it. A little bit slopey, but looking perfect. I think this guy should get shorter on the top, but anyways, everyone has one choice. Okay, we have another freshy here. Oh, low drop fade with buzz cut. These haircuts are very common among the Asian guys. They really love to have that type of slow beat undercut. And I hope you had enjoyed all of this crispiest haircut transformation, guys. Thank you so much for watching videos. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the post notification to get update for every upcoming upload.